All right, good afternoon. I wanted to just give you an update. Yesterday we didn't have anybody show up for the pool, but today we've had some progress. The fence guy came. He can't do anything with the gate for the pool, so we have somebody else coming out for that today at 4 to see if they can help us with the gate. But the wall is up. Look at that. We just have to move the gate, and it has to meet all those different requirements. Hi, Ruben.
How are you?
Good. How are you? Good. How's your dad?
He's doing good.
Good.
Much better now.
Good. All right. So, as you know, day before yesterday, he leveled the whole edge out, and now the travertine is actually going down. So this is permanently gone down now. So those pieces here, we'll see what he can get done. It's exciting. And here's this from the other side. Look at that, a whole wall up. Yay. And this gate will just get moved forward. Of course, I will check back in with you at the end of his day just to let you see the progress. But here we are. Check back soon. Okay, let's see. Ruben, our tile guy, is gone for the day. And just turn you around. Again, our finished wall. Just waiting on the gates. So, gate guy, well, a guy is coming to, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get so close in your face. Wow, I'm sorry about that. Guy's coming to look at the gate at 4:30 today, but Ruben, the tile guy, is gone, so I thought I'd just show you what we got accomplished. So these 4 pieces here are set, and then this row here is set. Now he said he's going out of town tomorrow, but he would be back on Sunday. I said, Sunday? Are you sure on Sunday? Because it's Sunday. And he said, yes, I missed yesterday, so I'll be here. So we'll see if he shows up. I said, okay, I appreciate it. We'll see if he shows up though. So if you can picture it with the outdoor sofa, it's going to go over there. And I think I'm going to bring Jeff's hammock out and put it over here once the gate is moved and these 2 pillars are down. Jeff wanted to leave that up and put shelves across it, kind of make it like a little shelving unit. I do not want that. So I want the space. So we're going to go ahead and have him take that down supposedly on Monday. And he's going to come back and do that. But so nice to have a full wall there. And just take a shot from, this is the trench. This is the dangerous trench, which I assume will be all filled in once the electric is finished. Of course, this is a dangerous hole here too, but this is what you have to step over all the time. So, but here's the shot from the grill. So it's going to be kind of nice because, you know, we'll be here cooking and people can be out there swimming, and at the far end, you know, sitting on the couch. Over there, I think I'm going to put the hammock. And I don't know about my fire pit table. That's going to be a thing. I don't know where I want to put that. I mean, it's only there temporarily. Huh. Gotta give that one some thought. Maybe I won't be putting the hammock over there. Maybe I will put the fire pit table over there. But that takes all the conversation and puts it there when the grilling is here. me step on the other side. I'm going to try and leave these two little seating vignettes there, because kids will play on the grass and stuff too. But so there's the outdoor kitchen to the pool. On the wall over here, I think I'm going to get a large, kind of a long and large outdoor fireplace. Oh, this chair is knocked over. I will pick that up. But anyway, I just wanted to share today's progress. So I guess we are day 21, I believe. End of day 21. So that's it for now. We'll check back in on Sunday. I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for following. Like, share, subscribe, do all the things. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.